Well, Ohio's schools in a tough spot right now. They're still waiting on guidance from the governor on what school should look like this fall. Normally, they start that planning after the last day of school in the spring. Dan DeRose sat in on a meeting with Ohio's 8 largest urban school districts to learn about those struggles. Dan.
The group is known as the Ohio 8. It's a collection of the 8 largest urban school districts in the state. That includes Cleveland, Akron, Canton, Youngstown, Toledo, Cincinnati, Columbus. This was a chance for them to explain to the media how they see an opening potentially going this fall. This is ahead of what we expect the governor to announce this week, sometime this week, guidance and protocols for schools. And cost, according to the Ohio 8, is going to be one of the huge issues. For example, the Akron superintendent laid out some of his potential costs, and it's pretty shocking. For example, to have enough hand sanitizer, they figure they will need 3 gallons of sanitizer per student for the entire year. Just for Akron schools, that would be a cost of $3 to $4 million. Masks, 5 masks per student for the whole year, another $2 million. That's if they can get them. Buses, well, they're only going to be able to run at half capacity. So does that mean 2 trips for the school buses? Then you have thermometers on each bus, plus a staff person to take those temperatures. You can't have the bus driver do it. They need to be watching the kids and traffic. And having all of the students back on one day might not be financially feasible for all districts.
Those youngest kids, really do need in-person instruction. And so I know our staff have been coming up with some different scenarios. And one of them is bringing in kindergarten, first, second graders and doing, on-site instruction. And then for the rest of the district, looking at some waves of online instruction, some in person, and then gradually bringing everyone back.
The cuts. We got to defend education. We can't defund it. And that's one of the things that's been a priority for us, is making sure that we're defending the opportunities these kids need. And now more than ever, like Dr. Lally said, we can't let an entire generation of learners get away from us.
The other side of that coin is if you continue the at-home learning, the online learning, well, a lot of these urban districts need to do something about high-speed Wi-Fi. In Cleveland, for example, 40% of the kids don't have reliable Wi-Fi. If you were to wire up the entire city, CEO Eric Gordon said that would be a cost of $40 million to have reliable Wi-Fi for everybody in his district. Dan DeRose, 19 News.
Wow, a lot to think about. All right, thank you, Dan. And you can still take part in our poll. Should Ohio schools require masks for kids? Log on to cleveland19.com/vote.